Hi, this is Tutor Nick B, and this is Idioms 166. The idiom today is to give someone a good talking to. Yes. All right, let's take a look at the note. This idiom means to scold or lecture someone in a very serious way. Okay, let's look at the first example. This is probably a mother, and maybe she's talking to the father when he comes home, and she might say, Johnny has misbehaved all day. You have to give your son a good talking to. Sit him down, try to explain it, talk to him in a serious way, why you can't misbehave and why you have to be good, and, so on. That's the way we would often use it. All right, or number two. Little Bobby was sent to the principal's office, and she gave him a good talking to for acting up in class. Yeah, so probably at school, he was probably misbehaving in class or making noise in class, disturbing the class. So maybe the teacher sent him to the principal's office, and then eventually the principal will give him a good talking to. So, again, let's look at it. Little Bobby was sent to the principal's office, and she gave him a good talking to for acting up. Again, the acting up is misbehaving in class. All right, so that's the way we often hear it. We often say he needs a good talking to, or you have to give him a good talking to. Basically means either scolding or lecturing someone. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.